What if everything you see, everything you know, and every star and every galaxy is just a small part of something far bigger? This is the story of the universe, from the very beginning to the edge of what we can see, and maybe to the edge of reality itself. In the beginning, there was no space, no time, no matter, nothing. And then, something happened. The Big Bang. Not an explosion in space, but the creation of space itself. In a fraction of a second, the universe expanded faster than light. Energy filled everything, and as it cooled, that energy became matter. The first particles, the first atoms, the universe had begun. For millions of years, the universe was dark, a vast hot fog of particles. But slowly, gravity began to pull matter together. Clouds collapsed, pressure increased, and then the first stars were born. They lit up the universe. For the first time, there was light. These stars were massive, unstable, short-lived, and when they died, they exploded, spreading elements across the cosmos. Everything you are made of was forged in those stars. Over time, stars began to group together. Billions of them, bound by gravity, galaxies were born, spinning islands of light in an endless ocean of darkness. Some collided, some merged, some grew into giants, and inside one of them, something familiar formed. This is the Milky Way, a galaxy with hundreds of billions of stars. And somewhere, in one of its spiral arms, there is a small star, the Sun, and orbiting it, a tiny planet called Earth. From here, we look out into the universe, trying to understand it, trying to find our place in it. But what we see is only part of the story. Most of the universe is invisible. Not dark, not hidden, completely unknown. Scientists call it dark matter. You can't see it, you can't touch it, but without it, galaxies wouldn't exist. They would fly apart. That means most of reality is something we cannot even perceive. We are surrounded by something we don't understand. And then there are places where physics itself begins to break. Black holes, born from the collapse of massive stars. Their gravity is so strong that nothing can escape, not even light. Cross the event horizon, and there is no return. From the outside, time slows down. You would appear frozen. But from your perspective, everything ends. Instantly, these objects sit at the centers of galaxies, including ours, silent, invisible, and unimaginably powerful. But even all of this has a limit. Because light takes time to travel. When you look into space, you are looking into the past. Some of the stars you see are already gone. Some galaxies may no longer exist. And beyond a certain point, there is nothing we can ever observe. Not because it isn't there, but because its light will never reach us. This is the edge of the observable universe. Not the end of everything, just the end of what we can see. Beyond this boundary, there could be more galaxies, more structures, more unknown things, or something completely different. We don't know. We may never know, because the universe is expanding, faster and faster, pushing everything away, creating a horizon we can never cross. And one day, the universe will change again. Stars will burn out. Galaxies will drift apart. Light will fade. Everything will become cold and silent. Not with an explosion, not with chaos, but with stillness. So the question is Is this the edge of the universe, or just the edge of what we can understand? Because everything we see might only be a fraction of something far greater, and whatever lies beyond may remain unknown forever. Follow the dark universe if you want to go deep.